Hey there, friends. Today I'm diving into some heavy and controversial topics that touch the core of the LGBTQ+ community and the tangled web of legal conflicts surrounding it. First up, Uganda's Anti-Homosexuality Act. The Constitutional Court recently upheld most of this 2023 Act, which imposes some of the most severe penalties for LGBTQ+ individuals worldwide. We're talking life imprisonment and even the death penalty for certain offences. This has sparked international outrage as it blatantly violates fundamental human rights like equality, privacy and freedom of expression. Human rights organisations are up in arms, arguing that this law was passed without proper public engagement. They are appealing to the Supreme Court and urging the Ugandan government to reconsider. The international community is watching closely, advocating for the repeal of this discriminatory law. This situation in Uganda is a chilling reminder of how much work is still needed globally to secure LGBTQ+ rights. Now, shifting gears to the United States, specifically the surprising changes in the Republican Party's stance on gay marriage. The GOP's 2024 platform has removed previous language that opposed same-sex marriage. This allows Republican candidates to determine their own positions on the issue. This change is significant as it challenges the narrative that gay marriage is under threat from Republicans, reflecting a broader societal shift towards acceptance of LGBTQ+ rights. While the GOP still holds a conservative stance on transgender issues, this newfound acceptance of gay marriage is a notable development. It'll be interesting to see how this shift influences future political campaigns and legislative actions. Lastly, let's talk about Florida's controversial Don't Say Gay law. A settlement has been reached that clarifies some of the ambiguities surrounding this law. While formal instruction on sexual orientation and gender identity remains restricted, discussions on these topics are now permitted in classrooms. The Florida Board of Education will inform school districts that the law does not prohibit discussions about LGBTQ+ individuals or anti-bullying measures based on sexual orientation and gender identity. It also clarifies that the law doesn't extend to library books or casual references to LGBTQ+ characters. Governor Ron DeSantis' office sees the settlement as upholding the Parental Rights in Education Act. Critics, however, argue that the law has already had a chilling effect on open dialogue in schools. While the settlement addresses some concerns, the overall impact on LGBTQ+ inclusivity in Florida's educational settings remains a hot topic of debate. So what does all this mean? It means we're living in a world that's constantly evolving when it comes to LGBTQ+ rights. Some battles are being won, while others are ongoing. It's a complex soup of legal conflicts, political egos, and societal shifts. Stay informed, stay engaged, and keep advocating. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.